What is up, guys? I have a problem with my controller. It likes to drift on its own, but I found a solution for it. Go to your settings, go to your controls, go all the way over to your dead zone. I don't know if every single game has this, but you can see mine's at 20% on both thumbsticks. Go to whichever thumbstick is drifting and turn it up a little bit, like I have mine on 50. And I learned that it will not drift after that. No matter how hard you try to get it to drift, it will not drift. Hope it works out for you. Leave a like if you liked it, and comment if you have any other questions. Thanks.